Hello everyone, for this video I would like to share with you this product that I purchased from Walmart. This is called HTH Super Clarifier. So it's supposed to clear your dull, hazy or cloudy water and make your pool water sparkle. So I use this thing, I've been using this for about 6 weeks now, and I can tell you that it does make my pool clear. You need to put in 2 ounces per 10,000 gallon of water. So my pool is only 2,000 gallons. So what I put is just up to here. It's 15 ml. So that's what I do every week. I put 15 ml of this, and it does keep my water clear. However, this is not a fix for your water issue. Basically, this is just to help you clear the water. You still have to make sure that your water is balanced. My mistake that I did here is in the past year, I have a visual of my pool water. I know when my pool water pH is going higher, and I know when to correct it, because in my experience, when my pH level goes up to 8% or above 7.8, my water is starts to get cloudy. I start seeing all the powdered chemical that I've added there. But since I start using this, that doesn't show up anymore. So you're gonna have to test your water regularly still, and be able to correct the water balance if necessary. So I could see this thing as a quick fix to make your water clear, and especially if you have like guests coming in, and you want your water to be clear when they come in. So let me show you this right now. This comes from my pool water, and let me see. Right now, my pH balance is at 8.1, 8.7, but it's actually at 8.1 right now. See that? And at this point, my pool water should be a little cloudy already, but right now it's still clear. I'm gonna show that to you a little later. And also, I would like to show this to you. This thing, I just removed this from the pool. When you use this super clarifier, what it does is, says here, regular use of this product reduces the buildup of particles in pool water. So cloudy pool water can happen in newly filled pools during warm weather startup or with algae growth. So when you use this thing, you'll notice that you're gonna have to replace your filter a lot sooner. Before, I have to replace my filter at least every 4 days. Now I'm gonna have to replace it at least 2 or 3 days. So this is like a 2 day after I added this clarifier. And look at this, it has a lot of buildup, and see, it's still dripping. I just removed this from the pool right now. You're not going to waste this filter. You can always wash it off and reuse the filter. So see that one. When I was not using this in the past, when I replace my filter after 4 days, it's not this dirty. When you use the clarifier, make sure that you replace your filter or clean your filter after a day or two, and then after that you can go with your regular cleaning. So let me go to my pool, so show you how the water looks like at 8.1 pH. Okay, so this is how the water looks like at 8.1 pH. Usually at 8.1 pH, you're gonna see some cloudy water already. But in my pool, 8.1 pH still look good. However, if you have somebody that have sensitive skin, then they're gonna start having like dry skin or itchy skin at 8.1 pH. So I'm gonna be lowering down this pH to bring it back down to 7.4, because the ideal range is between 7.4 and 7.8. So for me, I'm okay with the high pH. I don't really notice any difference, but my daughter who have eczema would be itching when she jump into the pool. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you.